Hey, this is Teehee Films, not Teehee Airsoft. Teehee Airsoft is another one of our channels, and I'm doing a review of the Walther P99 airsoft gun. It has a magazine that holds a lot of BBs. You pour them into right there, and then when you get low, you pull this down and put it to the side, and it'll go in. Push it back, and then you've got this. Every time you cock it back, it sticks, and it shoots like what, 300 feet per second?
No, gosh, dude, that'd be like Jesus powered. No, that's like 250
250
FPS.
feet per second, and mostly metal, not much plastic, custom spray paint, uses green spray paint and some leaves, and that's about it for the Walther. Hey guys, this is Tyler with Teehee Films, and this is our review of the Stinger P9 Crosman. It has a clip just like the other one I just showed you. It's like the clip works the same way. You put the BBs in right here, and then when you run out after you've put them in right here, you just pull that down and shake them in. Put it in. This one sometimes doesn't hold itself back, but usually it does. And this one has about the same FPS, right? 250?
Yeah, about the same, but it's a little bit less because, you know, it's like Crossman and
Yeah.
they suck and everything.
Like 230 FPS, something like that. Kind of low. It's spring, not auto. No battery.
No gas either.
Yeah. The mag release is right there. You push down on it and it releases the mag, see? And that's about it for the Stinger P9.
Have a nice day. Oh, I didn't see you there. Hey, it's Tristan here with Teehee Films, and I got another review for you today of the Delta Elite, Delta Elite Colt Auto with KWP. I know KWC. I mean, yeah, and it's a pretty good gun. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty good for busting cap and that. I got carried away there, but this gun has a mag release right here, right behind the trigger guard.
It's like a little button. It's not like the other ones where it's like a push-down lever. It's a little button.
Yeah, and on this one, the worst thing about it is you cannot beat them into the back or anything, so you just have to keep using speed load or something like that. Feed them on up in there. You know what I'm saying? And that sounded wrong. But it has a hammer. It's not really working unless you cock the gun back. It's just pretty cool looking, you know, when you're playing around, pow, you know what I'm saying? Alright, but when you cock it back, should, you know, sound like that, and, you know, it's got that pretty good feel to it. It's got a good grip, but it good just go boom, boom. No, I'm just playing. That's not an airsoft. But yeah, this is the first gun in the gold collection, and I'll show you that next one in about, I don't know, like later, you know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Alright. Yeah, this is Teehee Films, and see you later.